Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change administrator in your Windows 11 machine or how to change the account type in your Windows 11 machine. Now, the first thing before you make any changes, you will have to make sure that you have logged in as an administrator. You need to have administrator permission to make these changes. Once that is done, all you have to do is you will have in the search window, you may go ahead and type control. You will see the best match for the control panel. Double click on it and that should take you to the control panel window. In case if you're on the small icon view, you may go ahead and switch to category view and that should take you to this view. Then you will have to go ahead and click on change account type and that should take you to this window. Under this, in case if you want to change the account type, what you could do is you can go ahead and choose the account where you want to change the account type. So in my case, for the demonstration, I want to go ahead and change the account type of my PC from local to the administrator. So you can double click on it and then choose the option which says change the account type and then choose the option the administrator and then click on change account type. With this, what will happen is this will go ahead and change the account type from local, that is from the standard user, to the administrator. This is one way, and there is also a shortcut way to go ahead and change the administrator. So you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type NETPLWIZ and then click on OK. This should take you to the user accounts window. Under this, you will see the list of users which are currently created for this computer. So you can go ahead and choose which account you want to change from. So in my case, for the demonstration purpose, I have 3 different accounts here or user accounts here. If I want to change the account of my PC to administrator, all I have to do is I will have to select the account type or username and then click on properties. Under group, click on group membership. From here, you may go ahead and choose as administrator. Click on apply and then click on OK and then click on OK again, and that should change the account type from local user to the administrator. So this is how you can go ahead and change the administrator in your Windows machine. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.